Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can share large files over the internet for free. It's a very simple video. Hope you guys find it helpful. And if you do, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And yeah, now that I've said that, this is how you can do it. So the first thing you want to do is go into your browser and search for Toffee Share. Just click on enter and click on this link. That is the first one once you search for it. And once you're here, so this is the best website through which you can share files. The best thing is that it is free, it is safe, and there is no file size limit. So basically you can drag and drop any file that you want to upload. Let's say I want to upload this video right here. And once I click on it and click on upload, you can see an instant link is here. You can share this link through WhatsApp, Facebook, or email. That depends upon you. And once you share this link to your friend, let's say I copy this link, I open up a new incognito tab, I paste this link here, and you can see this video is now here. I can download it directly from my computer. So if you send this link to your friend, he or she can download that file directly from your computer. There is just one catch though, which is this, which means that if you close this tab, the sharing process will stop and your process will not be successful. So make sure you leave this tab open in the background until the sharing process is complete. And yeah, after that you're pretty much good to go, and you can share whatever you want, whenever you want, with whatever the size that is there. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.